Only the real ones know about this. But we got a little blemish underneath the gas tank that nobody knows about from the accident, so we'll keep that on the DL. But you boys are gonna get in here. We need to get underneath in here for the airbox. So I'm pretty sure I need to just take off 2 screws, boom and boom. This should be able to swivel up, and then I think I should have enough clearance to get in there. So yeah, I guess let's just keep on breaking her down, boys. Let's just keep on breaking her down. All right, boys.